Welcome to our video on maintaining a chemical-free hot tub experience. Discover how ClearChoice products can transform your spa into a natural oasis, offering a healthier and more enjoyable soak without the harsh effects of traditional chemicals. This video will outline how to use our ClearChoice Spa Startup Kit. If you are having any of these issues using your hot tub, like too many chemicals to juggle, dry itchy skin when you get out, can't stand the smell of chemicals, a family member is allergic and can't use the hot tub anymore, or maybe a more natural approach makes sense to you, ClearChoice Spa is the answer for you. The benefits of using our ClearChoice Spa products. 1. Non-toxic, completely natural, as nature intended. 2. Saves water and time. Change your water only once a year if desired. 3. Saves money. Costs much less than traditional chemicals. 4. Hypoallergenic. Softens your skin without leaving a chemical smell. 5. Super easy to use. Far simpler than traditional chemical systems. And 6. Extends spa life, protecting your spa and the components due to its non-corrosive, all-natural properties. Switching over to ClearChoice Spa is easier than you might think. Let's start by cleaning out any old junk or manufacturing residues from your spas, plumbing, and components. 1. Add spa prep into your existing water. If the spa is empty, fill it with regular water from a hose first. 2. Let the spa operate on its normal maintenance cycle, while turning on the jets a few times daily to circulate spa prep through the plumbing. 3. New spas, 1 day of is enough. Older spas, a few days depending on how old and dirty it is. 4. Drain and rinse your spa out thoroughly. Perform the spa prep purge once a year for optimal spa maintenance. Installing the Micron sleeve. The Micron sleeve is designed to catch a different type of dirt your filters could miss due to its textured material. Tie the Micron sleeve around your main filter. It does not need to cover the entire filter. If you have multiple filters, the main one is typically the one that collects the most debris. If the strings don't reach, you can extend them with additional string for a secure fit. If the sleeve is too large, feel free to trim it to size. Only 1 micron sleeve is required per spa, but you can use more if preferred. If the sleeve restricts your water flow, discard it to avoid interference. Caring for your micron sleeve and filters. Weekly, rinse the micron sleeve and filters with fresh water. Monthly, perform a deep clean on both the sleeve and filters using a white distilled vinegar or bleach solution diluted with water. Filling your spa with fresh new water using our hose pre-filter. 1. Attach the coupler to the end of the hose pre-filter. 2. Connect the hose pre-filter to any garden hose. 3. Flush the filter by letting water run onto the ground for about 1 minute. For hard water areas, use softened water from your home to fill the spa, if possible. 4. Insert the hose pre-filter directly into the filter housing area to ensure plumbing lines fill first, minimizing air bubbles, filling the spa up to desired height. ClearChoice Spa hose pre-filters are designed and engineered specifically for ClearChoice Spa products. They last approximately 1 year, depending on water quality. Perfect for filling your spa and topping your spa off between water changes. Adding BioBooster. Adding probiotics like BioBooster to your hot tub ahead of enzymes can create an environment with naturally balanced beneficial bacteria that effectively target organic contaminants. After filling your spa with fresh water, if you have our BioBooster, add the recommended amount to your water at this time, shaking well before using. Wait approximately 4 to 6 hours before adding the spa drops to allow the BioBooster to fully integrate into your water for optimal effectiveness. Adding spa drops. 1. Follow the bottle's directions to determine the correct amount of drops for your spa size. 2. Use the Easy Dropper top to add the recommended amount directly to the water once a week. 3. Turn on the jets for about 5 minutes, then your spa is ready to enjoy. Store your spa drops in a cool, dark place. 1 bottle typically lasts most customers up to 2 years. Your first month with ClearChoice Spa. The first month is essential for your spa to adapt to the enzyme-based system. Monitor water quality and adjust dosages as needed to find the perfect balance for your spa. All orders of spa drops come with an easy-to-follow step-by-step instruction sheet, as well as a troubleshooting guide. Weekly and monthly maintenance schedule. Once a week, thoroughly rinse filters and micron sleeve and add spa drops as directed. Once a month, deep clean filters and micron sleeves with either a solution of 5 cups of white distilled vinegar to 5 gallons of water, soak overnight, then rinse, or use 1/2 cup of unscented bleach to 5 gallons of water and soak for 2 to 3 hours, then rinse well before reinstalling into the spa. Thank you for watching our video on how to use our ClearChoice Spa system. We hope you found this information helpful and are inspired to make the switch to a natural, chemical-free spa solution for a healthier lifestyle. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We're happy to help.